Hi, welcome back to the Inner Mind Institute. I hope you are looking forward to practice again together. Today I will give another beginner's mindfulness session of 15 minutes. We are going to practice 3 times of 5 minutes. So it's an interval training. So make yourself ready, sit comfortably again, sit upright, that's very important. And let's start our session now. Close your eyes and start to focus on your breath at the inside, as you know, B3. And in the beginning it's very important that we calm our mind a bit more. So let's rehearse the first 3 basic techniques. So let's do B1 together, just to practice that technique again. And we will do the slow version for 5 times. Okay, B2, 3 times. Don't forget to feel at the inside of your nostrils 1 more time. And continue your practice with B3. And focus for 100% on your inhalation and exhalation. B2 for 2 times. And relax your breath, relax your body. Let your mind settle in the present moment. We only want to stay present. And again, B2 for 2 times to bring your attention back to the present moment. One and 2. B3. This session is all about your breath. Okay. Open your eyes again. So take a break of 5 minutes and we will continue with the second round of 5 minutes again. So I hope you are ready again. Let's start with the second round of 5 minutes. Close your eyes again and here we go. And during this session it is important that you will feel and be aware of when you need to use B1 to B3 yourself. So you use B2 for example when you have a lot of thoughts, you cannot concentrate, or you face a certain emotion that you don't like, or you might have some physical discomfort, then you can apply B2. And B1 you use when these sensations become too strong and when they are bothering you very much, then you can use that technique B1. So it is your task to be very aware of your breath. And now I also want you to be aware of your own sensations, your body, your mind, so that you can decide which technique you want to use. While staying with your breath, observe yourself. Knowing if you are still aware and still present. Okay, and before we end this session, the second round, USB 2. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. And again. Okay. Open your eyes again. Take another break of 5 minutes. See you during our last round, the third meditation session. Alright, let's start our last round, our third round. So close your eyes. And during this round I won't give any guidance, so practice on your own for 5 minutes. Open your eyes again. Okay. I hope you like this 15-minute session. This is a very effective session to strengthen your mind and to extend your mindfulness practice. I wish you a pleasant day and keep practicing and stay mindful.